Hello Lions! Today we're going to do a special kind of search. If you scroll down to the search box and go to Books and Media, let's say I'm interested in science fiction materials. Now what this does is a keyword search for science fiction items. So this will bring up anything that mentions the word science fiction in the title. However, if you're looking for the actual genre of science fiction, on the right-hand side, click Genre. Here, you can do a search for science fiction. You can see there are 5 related genres as well. So if you wish to get more specific, you can look at apocalyptic fiction, cyberpunk fiction, dystopian, steampunk, time travel, etc. If you're fine with generic science fiction films or just science fiction, you can click on those. These are materials that are actually classified under the genre of science fiction, not just materials that mention science fiction as a term. There are many different kinds of genres. Another one you might look at, graphic novels. All of our graphic novels have the genre of graphic novels, so you can look at the complete list here. So if you know what genre you'd like to look at or you're interested in seeing what there is, please make sure to use the genre search. Have a good day!